Hi and welcome back once again to Dacty for Use channel. I hope you guys are doing great and everybody is doing well, beautiful people. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support that you've been showing me every time. God bless you. I really appreciate that so much and I'm very thankful so much. So guys, this recipe is one of the recipes that you don't plan, but like you do it and then it comes out good and you want to share. So here I'm going to share with you this simple, easy and the yummiest chicken soup. So here I have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I just added in some chopped onions and then some bay leaves. I'm going to fry this for about 2 minutes and then we will be good to go. I'm just trying to just infuse the oil with the onion and the bay leaves. So here I added in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to it, and then I'm going to just stir it and then fry it for about 8 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to fry this for about 8 minutes because I really want it to fry, and like between 5 to 8 minutes will be fine. So that is exactly what I'm doing right here. And guys, I'm telling you, this soup was so yummy. Like I was just craving for chicken soup, so I just had to get up and make something. I wanted it to be very quick. So here I just added in some blended mixture. So what is in this mixture is ginger, garlic, anise, rosemary, a little bit of black pepper, and then onion, like just a little bit of onion. So I blended everything together and then I got the mixture. So I'm going to fry it for about additional 8 to 10 minutes. So here I just added in my chicken, and guys, this chicken has been washed thoroughly. If you know, you know. I have how I wash my chicken, a video of how I wash my chicken on my channel, and guys, it's just amazing. I really want to wash my chicken, and I gave this chicken a bath, like a thorough bath. I was washing the chicken as if the chicken hasn't have like a person who haven't have a bath for years, and then the person is finally bathing. So here what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to just let the chicken absorb the sauce, the flavors from the sauce. So we are going to do that, fry the chicken in the sauce for about between 10 to 15 minutes. And guys, you have to keep on stirring. You don't want your chicken to burn, because if you don't stir it frequently, it's going to burn. And this is soup. You don't want your soup to have any bitter taste. Like you don't want your soup to burn, so you have to keep on stirring. Guys, just look at it. Look at that. Is it not beautiful? So I'll leave everything in the descriptive box below. If you didn't see me adding in any salt, it means that I always marinate my chicken with salt before I use it in my recipes. So this chicken has been marinating in salt for about 30 minutes. Sometimes I do it overnight, but make sure that you do it for about 30 minutes. If not more, 30 minutes is fine. So here I was just in a hurry, so I did it for 30 minutes, and guys, it's still good. So here it's after 15 minutes, and then I just went ahead and added in a little bit of water to it, and then now we are going to like cook the chicken. Let the cooked chicken cook for some time. So I forgot to tell you, I added in some celery greens, that is those black things that you are seeing inside. I always add it in my chicken soup. So after about 10 minutes of boiling the chicken, I went ahead to add in my carrot mixture. What I just added in is carrots, onions, pepper and tomatoes. So I'll leave everything in the descriptive box below. So I was in a hurry, so I had to cook that on the other stove, but I normally put everything in the soup and then I'll blend it back. This time I was in a hurry because I was craving for this chicken soup. I'm telling you, that day if I didn't get a chicken soup, I didn't know what I was going to do. I was craving so much, so much, so much for chicken soup, and I'm glad that I was able to make this one, come up with this one. And guys, oh my god, it's so yummy. So this is it. So I added it in and then I allow it to cook for about 5 minutes before I went into adding water, guys. So here I just added in water. You have to add water to your desired level, and then you put your heat on medium, cover it, and allow your soup to cook. So here, guys, our soup is almost getting ready. So the soup is ready now, and guys, look at it. And I'm telling you, oh my god, this soup was everything. So I had my with fufu, good old Ghana fufu, and it was so yummy. You can eat it with rice, eba, drink it like that, kenke, yam, plantains. Thank you so much for